My name is Dawson Burgess. I am a first-year graduate student with the U of I up in Coeur at the Center for Intelligent Industrial Robotics. I did my undergrad in computer science at Moscow, Idaho, my one-year master's non-thesis at the U of I in Moscow, and then Dr. John Chovik snatched me up here to do my official doctorate. Other than playing with computers, PLCs, and robots, and a little bit of AI, I like to rock climb. So I originally started as a mechanical engineer. I got to, I would say, are the core classes past statics, and started asking around my friend network and realized that is not what I wanted to do. So I kind of had a knack for computers already and switched over to CS, which made me graduate a little later than I wanted to, so my options were kind of open. And as I was applying for jobs, we were in a little bit of a downturn in specifically what I wanted to do. So I did a one-year master's, and Dr. John Chovik found me and snatched me and picked me up and convinced me after doing that to sign on for a full doctorate. So I don't have a thesis yet, but we're going to hopefully find one soon. Most of my time is taken being the manager of our lab space in our Headland building next to the Gizmo Robotics or Gizmo Community Center. It consists of robotics, PLCs, and our AI classes, but at some point, most classes touch it, so I'm kind of in charge of all of that. And we just got a brand new CNC machine, so that takes up most of my time. Other than that, I'm always working on side projects, the most recent of which is the CNC emulator, which is more of a simulator. So it's a teaching tool for students to be able to practice on the same exact configuration as a CNC without using or breaking the big expensive CNC machine. It consists of pneumatics, a PLC, and a Raspberry Pi for data simulation. And that's most of my time. For AI specific projects, I'm on a few right now, the biggest of which is our in-house gantry shipping container yard. So this is a big giant table, and we deconstructed a farm bot, and it's a gantry system that Davis designed with a custom PLC architecture, and I will be building an AI stack on top of that that will consist of a vision system for object detection and tracking in a grid so that we can send coordinates all the way around the system and everything's in sync. The second part is several models to analyze data we collect from the motors, total cycle time, and we'll figure out essentially a needle in the haystack problem of being able to find what causes us to have lag in our process, and we'll be able to hopefully cut that down and speed up a full cycle by 5 to 15 seconds. That's the target for some of our interested customers. And the last part of that will be integrating an agentic LLM, which is essentially a chat bot similar to ChatGPT or Claude or similar systems, but it'll be custom built, and it will be able to take a user or technician's chat and translate it to a actual action. So if you ask it to move a container from one zone to another, or to stack containers, or to ship them off into receiving, you'll be able to say, hey, can you do this? And it will understand what you're saying and perform an action. This project came about from a mixture of boredom and interest. We had an extra gantry that we had availability to, and me, James Lasso, Davis O, and Tim Lieback all wanted to do an extra 3 credits in a directed study, but we weren't sure quite what. And we got together and thinking, hey, we could simulate a shipping container yard. We'd be able to have PLCs, AI, ROS2, which is a robotics operating system, and everything that we kind of do here implemented into one project we could show off to interested companies in the area, and it ended up being a lot. So we didn't quite finish it in our 1 semester directed study. We kind of got the physical system up, and then me and Davis have been working to extend this into something that we can show off at conferences for robotics, AI, and PLC related projects. Our end goal is to be able to demonstrate all of these systems working together in synchronization, and to be able to leave it running 24/7 and have cool ignition screens, and also be able to use it as a teaching tool in the future for students to deal with large amounts of data and apply different AI processes to this data to produce meaningful results. Thanks for your time today, and I just want to remind everyone, go Vandals.